Plus, that beating you gave me the other day has made me much more bohemian, don't you think?
Yes, actually it did. You make a great replacement for that stinking bum. Okay, you know what? I've decided. I want you to be my oracle.
But I want to disintegrate you. Don't forget.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Shall we begin?
Let's go. And remember, there are several questions. You need to answer them correctly. At least 3 in a row to win.
Gotcha. Believe me, I'm an expert when it comes to the adventures of Luke and his friends.
Well, now is a good time to prove it, Randal Hicks. Let us begin. First question. If the Ewoks are throwing a New Year's Eve party in Endor, who should be the special guests?
The Ewoks. Those little bastards are so self-involved.
Correct. But I have to make sure that was not just beginner's luck.
Sure. Are you okay?
Better than ever. Shall we go on? If Princess Leia is having a picnic in Hoth and invites Luke, Han, Wedge, and Chewie, who will get there first?
Leia. Well, she'd be the first to get there because she's the hostess.
Very well. That makes 2. 1 more to go.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes. Let's continue. If Admiral Akbar's face looks like a mutant fish, and Chewbacca looks like the result of a romance between a Yeti and a Yorkshire Terrier, who is the ugliest being in the galaxy?
Akbar. That guy is ugly as fuck. I used to have nightmares as a kid.
Unbelievable. You did it. Okay. We made a promise, so I will not kill you.
Dude, you're talking weird. What's going on?
Processing.
What?
Processing.
What are you processing? Accept your defeat, man.
System overload.
Oh, you're shitting me. Cool.
Why did you attack my supercomputer with a hammer? And why is it singing now?
I don't know, dude. I think you're right. It's gone completely crazy.
Aw, hell. Now I'll have to fix it myself. Because I'm not going to stay here listening to that horrible music till the technician arrives.
Really? I kinda like it.
Oh yeah, you like Live Free or Die Hard.
Yeah, so what? It was a classic. It's a totally underrated movie.
Yeah, sure. Anyway, if you don't mind, I'm kind of busy right now, so I should get to...
Yeah, sure, man. See ya. Charlie, do you have a second?
It better be important. I am very busy.
Well, it depends on what you mean by important. I mean, it is to me.
Alright, come on, shoot. What's up?
What do you think about Peter and Otto switching bodies?
Oh, come on, man. I told you, I'm really busy. I'm having a terrible day. And to make matters worse, I can't get the work done with this stupid thing.
What are you talking about?
This damn screwdriver. It's a flat blade, and I need a star one, so I can disconnect Hal's speaker and make him shut the hell up once and for all.
But why? That song rocks.
Randall, please. I'm exhausted. Just leave me alone.
Okay, then. Ciao. I always wanted one of these. Ouch! That thing is hot as hell.
I'm half crazy over the love you, Daisy.
Charlie, I think this is what you need.
If you tell me again you have a Sailor Moon dress my size, you and I are gonna have a problem, Randall.
What? No, I'm talking about this screwdriver. You needed a star one, didn't you?
Do you really have one? Or are you just distracting me while I'm being robbed?
O ye of little faith. Here.
Oh, great! Now that I have the right tools, I should be able to fix this piece of junk.
Well, it's not that big a deal.
One more thing. Could you please throw this useless thing away?
No sooner said than done.
Give me your
Lord Vader.
Admiral.
It's an honor to see you here.
Save it, Admiral. I'm here to warn you that the Emperor is very upset by your apparent lack of discipline.
What? I'm the king of discipline.
The Emperor does not share that opinion.
Yeah, whatever. By the way, how's college going for you?
How did you know I'm in college, Admiral? I forbid you to use the Force on me.
I know a lot of things about you, young Anakin. I sense a disturbance in the Force and in this story's plot.
I see Obi-Wan has taught you well.
And I see your father. He's found out about your robot girlfriend and he's not happy at all.
What? Is that true?
No, relax. Your life must be complicated enough already if you walk around dressed like that.
Thank the Emperor. For a second there, I was all like, oh my God, the worst has happened.
Not so fast. It seems like I know some secrets that you wouldn't want getting out concerning robot girlfriends.
What do you want in exchange
For your silence, Admiral. I warn you, I don't have money. A kid with a balloon stole it from me a while ago. Do you know how humiliating that is? He didn't even let go of his mother's hand.
Oh man, the pig kid? Ooh, he's pure evil. But that's not the question, my friend. The question is, what can you do for me?
Well, I'm a computer engineer. I can do a lot of things.
That's a bit vague. Can you turn this day into Tuesday instead of a Monday?
No, but I can fix almost anything.
Okay, I don't see how that could be of any help right now, but I'll keep that in mind. How's the Empire doing?
Not so well.
Oh, those damn rebels keep sabotaging our facilities.
Ah, those friggin' rebels, always sticking their noses into other people's business.
And that's not the worst part. Now everybody,
In the Empire is unionized. It's impossible to rule the galaxy with all those unions and strikes.
Even the stormtroopers have a union?
Even those crappy robots who vacuum the corridors of the Star Destroyers have one.
Good lord, you give them an inch and they take a mile, huh?
tell me about it.
What's wrong with the Sci-Fi Con? Is it infested with rebels or what?
Worse, it's been canceled, just like the third Death Star.
I see.
I live on the other side of the galaxy. Do you know how much I spend on gas?
Yeah, I guess Star Destroyers are heavy on gas, but we both know you live in your parents' basement, so knock it off, will you?
Those damn Ewoks. I'm sure they're behind this.
Yeah. Well, I think I've wasted enough time with this charade. I'll see you around.
Certainly, Admiral. And remember, I can fix
Almost anything?
Well, thanks, Dorothy. I'll keep that in mind.
Did you just call me Dorothy?
Hey, can you fix this?
Let's see. Oh, a broken radio, huh? Piece of cake.
Ooh, great. When will you have it ready?
Not so fast, Admiral. I'm gonna need some tools.
Oh, come on. I thought you were this almighty computer engineer.
As long as I have the right tools.
What tools do you need?
I need a soldering iron, some tin, and a flat blade screwdriver.
And how am I supposed to get all those things?
That's not my problem, Admiral.
Yeah, right. Whew, well, wasn't easy, but I got myself a nice magnet. Ah, it's not gonna open. The door is locked. Oh, looks like all that heat caused this lock to melt. The problem is that the handle is also melted. Crap. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep this nice soldering iron in the tin. Here you go, Lord Vader.
Excellent, Admiral. That'll do it.
Here you go, Lord Vader.
Excellent, Admiral. That'll do it.
Perfect.
Are you done yet?
Okay, done. I just need a couple of batteries to see if it works.
Oh, come on. Why didn't you say that before?
It's a portable radio. It runs on batteries. Didn't you know that?
Dart smartass.
Give me your
I know it's mine, but I'm not gonna take it if Charlie's looking. So did you fix it?
Does it look like I did?
So I guess that screwdriver didn't help after all.
No. That leaves me with only two options. Call a technician or set that thing on fire. And my phone is dead, so...
You know, I really like the song.
You also like Sucker Punch, but that doesn't make it a good movie.
What do you know?
Give me your
Hey!
Sorry, Randall, but I don't feel like making small talk right now.
I